Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix your laptop camera is not working problem. In this video I'll show you that. So if your laptop camera is not working, what should you do? You just need to go on the start button at first, and then you just right click on your mouse and open on device manager. Here you can see this is device manager, open on it, and now you just need to go on this camera section. So open on it, and now select on this, um, just select cameras, and then open on this like that. Now select HD webcam and then right click on your mouse, and you can get a option update driver. So you just need to update this driver, and after update this driver, then you need to restart your laptop, and after that you need to check your camera. Then I hope your camera is working perfectly. Thank you everyone for watching.